Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Encompass Mortgage account online. In order to log into your Encompass Mortgage account, you'll first need to open up a preferred web browser. In the URL box popping up at the top, type in icemortgagetechnology.com and press enter on your keyboard. This is the software that is used by many mortgage lenders to manage the loan application process. In order to log into your Encompass Mortgage account, you will need to go find the product login button appearing at the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you press on that, you will need to select one of the products from the list. Click on this Encompass CRM login option and you will then find yourself in the sign-in page. After you get to this page, you will now need to enter your credential for your Encompass Mortgage account. Type in your username associated with the account and then type in your password on the next field. In case you've forgotten your login password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions to find a new password. After filling in your correct credential, click Login, and this will be able to log you in to your Encompass Mortgage account from where you can manage your account easily. So that's how you can easily get to the Encompass Mortgage account online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.